Right guys, I've had a problem with the fog star. It's not with the fog star, it's a problem with me. So apparently you cannot line a lead acid battery, AGM, and a lithium battery, and you can't just have them in parallel or series with your main battery, like starter battery, leisure battery. If they're two different types of batteries, you can't have that. So I was thinking that we could. You can't, so I need a DC to DC charger in between the both. So we've had no power for 2 nights. First night was just knackered anyway, was in the van. Last night no power, we had to use the front battery and a power bank for our phones, but I think we give up, went to sleep early. So I've got up early and I have whipped out the fog star and put one of the AGMs back in, connected it up to the starter motor. So the alternator is charging that, so we'll use that for the time being. I will have to buy wires and lugs and all the shit that goes with that. Yeah, temporary fix. Now ready for work. So guys, we're in October now. Lily's dying of a cold, just hope she's not passing it to me, but welcome to another day in the life of Amazon driver. Walking to the yard now. Pick up the van. I already got my key because I sneakily keep it with me. It was my van yesterday, so I don't really need to do much to it. Still got my boots in there and shit. It's not letting me skip the region. Fuck's sake. Maybe it is. 180 new stops today. So first thing to do, scan the VIN code, which is down here. It's not letting me do. What the fuck is going on here? Finally. So you got to do this vehicle inspection check as well. So basically, it's not a serious thing. You just got to scan all the way through. This is just to say that there's no faults. Phone is going mental. Once you've done all this, certify it's done. And then we got the day. So let's have a look what we've got today. Summary. We've got 180 stops, which is 20 less than yesterday. 123 actual locations, nearly 300 parcels. And the map, we are in Blackpool. Fuck. This is one I did not want to do. It's all along the front, in the centre, everything like that. Today is going to be an absolute bastard. Absolutely horrible. It's the weekend, it's Saturday. Even though it's not the summer, it's going to be busy. I'm not being funny to Blackpool, it's not the nicest of areas. It's not the easiest of areas. It's not the clean and tidiest of areas. It's a shithole. I don't think anyone's picked up any rubbish since 1964 or something like that. Saturdays are usually easier, but this is a shit run. I'm not happy about this. I think we're only going to finish 7, half 7, whereas last weekend on a Saturday we was done for 5. I think it looks like the route's taking us to the centre first, so we'll get all that done first and then hopefully get out to the housing estate and things will speed up a bit. Guys, I hope that filmed me throwing all this shit in. As you can see, because my stuff wouldn't download on the thing, I was late loading and front of the queue, so I've got to get my shit in and get off, so I literally just had to throw it in. Today is just getting worse. Anyway, we're off to sunny Blackpool now. First drop is in Coronation Street. See if we can nip in the Rovers. Well guys, we're at the first stop. Can't find out, can't see out. And the first one's an age restriction. Fun and games, fun and games. This might be the age one, number 81. If it is. Hotel, probably not in. I'm gonna go and do it. Alright, we've just done 2 big boxes out of the way. Thankfully got a bit more room. Next one is Coral Island on the front. Blackpool's finest. Guys, still going. I think I'm on drop number 25, so that's an hour. 25 in the hour, still good for around here, not knowing it. I'm still in the thick of things. I'm going to the Counting House, which is a pub, I think, in the centre. Knackered already, knackered already. Let's fold this one over, guys, like that. Easy this way through. This is how I ended up splitting my finger open. We've got about 50-60 stops left. Some guy came and took about 40 stops as well, so that's helped us out. So we'll actually finish before 7. Right guys, this is all we got left now. And a couple in there. This is... oh, what the hell's that? I'm blind. Box, probably in here. Nope. Here we go. Right, number 1. It's a good job that other guy took some parcels off us. Number 1. Usually always wait just to make sure the customers open the door. Which they're not doing. Right, I'll just get the next one ready. Alright, I'm gonna go after. I'm gonna go and knock again on this house. Dog heard me that time. Cheers, thanks. Ta. This woman's seeing me here, so it's alright. Alright, cheers, thanks. Anyway, let's crack on. Nearly done. Right, next one. Number 6. I always try and, if it's a letterbox one, just do the app and get it off when you get to the door. Straight in. Done. Straight back to the van. On to the next one. Getting down now, guys. You got to keep checking the map because the routing is not great on here. So it's like this wants me to go further away down here and then come back, whereas this one is right here. So we do that one next. Number 12, right in the front of the van. It's currently 5 to 7. So this one I've just parked on the corner because I knew it was just down here. What you do is you fold it halfway, ready, get to the door, and you can just box it off. Easy as pie. There we go. So just a bit of a summary now at the end. We've got 8 stops, 9 houses, 9 parcels. We've done 141, so it'll be 150, 149. We've got 3 problems that we might have to do on the way home. These were like age verifications and people just not in. Alright, there you go.
Thank you.
Thanks. See you later. Scan parcels. There we go. Hello, give me that. Yeah. Thank you. One. Cheers.
Cheers, mate. See you later.
See ya. Don't think this is going to go through the letterbox. Yeah, oh. Happy days. 3 drops left. I will speak to you when I've done the last one. Right guys, we have finished our run, but I'm just going to go back to one street to do a couple of re-attempts. There's 2 houses on one street, I think. So I'm just going to do them, make myself look good. I don't know if you can see, but the tower, Blackpool Tower's in the distance. Right guys, that is it for today. We've got this one, business closed. This one wasn't even on my ship. This one, I think they were out or something. Nowhere to leave it. So we will tidy up these bags. You have to fold them and put them all in one bag. Should have just enough room. Squeeze them all in here. And also I will squeeze in these 3 parcels that I missed. And then I can just drag them all in the van. Drag them all in the warehouse when we're done. Yeah, back to the warehouse. Right guys, that is it. We have finished the day. Just been back to the warehouse. Got rid of them boxes. That's it. So yeah, today was really busy. It said 180 stops and 250 locations. But it was an area I'd not really been in before. It was, as you said, it was a Blackpool. And when you're trying to find out where these businesses are, for the, like Turtle Bay and the Tower, the address of postcodes is around the back, but it's not around the back, it's around the fucking front. And them type of places don't order small stuff. Turtle Bay was 2 big boxes I had to carry around. There was an Argos in Sainsbury's. Sainsbury's has been redeveloped, so you couldn't get in a normal entrance, and by the time you've gone through it, you don't know. It's all one-way system. So yeah, anyway, this was a day in the life of my Amazon shit. It's not even Prime Week yet, or Christmas. Thankfully I won't be working Christmas. But yeah, stay tuned and I'll try and put up another video of another day at Amazon. Time to take the van back and get in bed. Watch the footy. United finally fucking won a game.